Hey gang, Rod Egan here, standing beside a great little Porsche 356. This car is going to be selling this weekend at our Auburn auction. If you can't make it, log in on the website worldwideauctioneers.com, scroll through the inventory, hit Porsche, you're going to find this. This is cool. This is the final year of the 356, 1965, arguably the best iteration of the 356. This car is finished in its original factory color of Irish green. And it is a fantastic example. It has been completely restored at one time. The car is mechanically very, very great. And these cars hold a bit of a special place for me in my heart. My family, we've owned Porsches, still do, and 356s. And the 356 cab is one of the great driving cars. I'm 6'3". I can ride in a 356 Porsche. So tall guys, don't overlook driving a Porsche. They're phenomenal. These are such great road cars. We've had cars like this. We take them on tours all over the place, and they're so easy to drive. Literally, you just point and go and enjoy the experience. And I talk about ease of drivability. I plan on teaching both my little daughters how to drive stick on a 356. It's that simple. Great car here. This is a fantastic car. If you are a Porsche person, you want a good sports car, you want a car to rip around and have some fun in, this is it. 65 356 Cabriolet, Saturday, the Auburn auction. Come and see us.